If your guys got caught up in this group, they're goners for sure.
Wrong again.
You saved your family's food.
Oops. Oh, boy. This gives me a big warm feeling in my tummy. No, wait. It's just gas.
That one.
But I did find some pizza crust, and a snow cone, and a piece of an old churro covered in sand. Oh, hey, it was a hot dog!
World, and we're about to do our part. Stay on plan, stay focused, and stay...
I'm really, really sorry.
I'd appreciate it if someone would volunteer to go meet the new agent and...
Sorry. The thought of having a new agent around is upsetting my delicate tummy.
Ah, you took my advice and tried to grease out behind that taco truck, didn't you?
Oh, yeah, baby. It's like a golden gutter of... Oh, boy, this stuff is the best!
You said it.
Quick.
Keep quiet.
I found some weenies.